Hi friends, here is Imran Khan, admin of Islam Today, and here today I am going to teach you about how to change the. I have got a mobile for service which is Cellcon C102, and here we have a repair of charging port charging pin. So here you can see the charging pin has been damaged, and we will change this pin today. So this is V8 pin, friends, which you can see only in Chinese mobiles like Cellcon Carbon keypad mobiles only. This is not a Samsung mobile charging pin. This is V8 pin. So we will change this. So first of all, we have to disassemble the mobile, take out the battery, and here you can find the screws. Unscrew it first. Here we have 6 screws here. We will unscrew it. After we have unscrew all the screws here, we will open the panel of it. We will open the panel of the mobile here. Use the opener to easily open any mobile. Don't use your nails, don't get pain. Here we have a mic here. Remove it slowly, don't damage it. And here you can see the charging pin has been damaged here also, from the outside, from the inside also the charging pin has been damaged. Take the blade and slowly insert inside the display like this. There will be gum beside the display, so we will take the display aside like this. And now we are going to change this charging pin. So first of all, we need to take the new charging port pin, which you have to change. So we'll take the suitable charging pin. In the market you can find these types of two pins which are look like as similar, both look like as same, but there is lots of difference between. There is big one also, and there is small one also, which look like as same as like this. Two pins are look like as same, but they are different. There are difference between them. So here we will take the small one to change the pin. Small one, we will take the measurement of the pin. So here the small one is perfect to this port, is suitable to this port. If you take the big one, it was not suitable to this port, so we will take the small one. So it was the correct size for the board. So what we will do, we will heat it and we will remove the old pin from the board. So take the flux and apply it. As you can see here, take the flux and apply it here. So the pin can be removed easily. like this. First of all, we will hit the blower to remove this charging pin. Take the blower and hit this from the below this, like this. Hit this. Slowly take this aside, remove this, and put. Now you can see here we have take out the old soldering pin. Now you can see these all are called as browns, cracks, charging pin cracks. If any one of this damage, the charging will not, the phone will not be charged. So these must be clearly, so these must be clear. If any one of the pin has damage, then the phone will not be charged. So what we will do, we will hit the solder and we will clean these tracks. So hit the solder first. So after we have got the soldering rod, we will clean this area properly, clean these legs. As you can see here, don't make any shortage means these legs must be separated with each other. If there is any two legs are combined, then it called shortage. If any two legs are touching with each other, then it means shortage. Then the phone will not get charged, our phone will be dead, our phone will not power on. So don't make any shortage here. Clean all the legs. As you can see here, I have cleaned all the legs properly. Now we will take the new charging pin here, new charging port here, and take some flux and apply here, apply on this legs and apply in this area also. Put this solder pin correct on this legs. Here you can see I have properly seated this new charging port on this area, in this area which we have take the old one from the part. Now we will hit the blower here. First hit the blower at the maximum hit, so the charging pin can be heated easily and can be seated on the board easily. Hit the blower now. We hit the blower now and we will hit it from downside of this board. Hit it so the pin can be seated properly. నీకేమైనా వేయరా అదే రెండు వేయరా ఇచ్చిన we will heat this read this
iya dek indah
now leave it for a few seconds so it can be cooled down and it can be seated properly. Now we'll shake the pin. We'll see if it can be, will it be shaking or not. No, it was not shaking. So what we will do, we will take the board and we will assemble the mobile. We will assemble the mobile here. We will assemble this mobile. If the charging was not, if the mobile was not taking charging, after changing this pin, you can you take the soldering rod and press here on this legs. Just hold the soldering rod and just press these legs like this. Press. After you have pressed that, insert the battery and see if the charging was getting or not. So like this. So the mobile was getting charged. So this is the today's video tutorial, which is Cellcon C102 charging port change. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, friends. Bye.